My antenna came up just right now, and we don't know how to get it down, so I just been...
It's not working?
Dude, it's not working. Usually this works.
Oh my god, Eric!
It's coming up. This is not the way to do it.
Yeah, that's probably not gonna work either.
Oh my god!
Bro, it's not
I don't think it's going any lower than that.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna go on a little Touge test run in the FD. First, we gotta get the air compressor. So I gotta fill up the rear tire. Make sure I don't scratch my paint or anything like that. But yeah, this tire's leaking a little. I think it's out of the spader valve. I'm not really sure. It's always kind of been like that. So we gotta get the check the work wheel, with the work valve stem caps. Ooh. All right, guys, we're currently on the way. Yeah, it sounds like something's falling apart. I'm not entirely sure. I mean, this car's, for the most part, oh my god, yeah. I don't know. This is my first time, like, really gonna be driving it, so I hope we make it. I'm a little concerned for my own life, but you know, I do it for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this content if it gets posted and I don't die. All right, guys. So yeah, we're back. Oh man, I have not driven this car in a long time, so excuse me. Also, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Okay. Oh god. Car's making a lot of rattling noises, so like I said, it's held together by hopes and dreams. I forgot. Oh, water. FRs look okay, I think. I don't know. I hope this car doesn't burn down. What's on? There's Smokey the Bear. Griffin can't do bumpy roads. Oh god. Oh, I smell the tire. I smell of burning rubber from the inside of my wheel well. I don't know what's making that noise, but it's scaring me. Burn down or blow up. Feels really good though. Oh dude, this road's so bad. What the hell was that? I think something just exploded back there. I don't entirely know. Oh, super responsive, this car. Oh. Oh my god, whoa. Oh my god, dude, it gets up there. I'm not gonna lie. So good too. Oh man, dude, it feels good. Alright, let's kind of cool it because I'm running out of gas. I forgot this car eats like a lot of gas. Good thing I have that new turbo filter on because I would be kind of screwed otherwise. Also, sorry if I'm not talking a lot. I'm trying to not die because I haven't driven this car in a long time and it's kind of nostalgic and it's kind of nice. Like driving a car you haven't driven in like a long time, you know? It's honestly like kind of relaxing. Everything looks good. The oil pressure looks good. Water temps look good. I don't know what RPM I'm at, but AFRs look good so far. I don't know what the EGTs are because I don't have an exhaust gas temperature sensor, but you know, I hope it's good. I hope. So nostalgic, so nice. Feels like things are falling apart, but it also feels like something just flew off. Well, my mount's still up, yeah, so we're still good. But yeah, definitely feels like home. Okay, it's getting a little tighter here, so I'm gonna chill. Hey, yo, what's going on, guys? I'm on the other camera now. I'm on my vlog camera, but man, look at the sunset. I stopped filming because, you know, it's tight and windy, and that makes things dangerous. So I'm just gonna enjoy the nice little view I have. Chasing Ford Touge, you know, behind this Jetta. The Jetta was actually kind of moving too. I'm not gonna lie. This guy was hauling ass, bro. And now we got stuck behind this guy in the truck, but it's totally okay because, you know, we're just all vibing here. It's a vibe. It's a nice little scenic drive. It's all tight here, so it's kind of dangerous. So, you know, we want to cool it. All right, after a run. Still alive.
Huh?
So the car's still on, still alive.
That's good.
Not blow. Didn't detonate, didn't blow up, so. Make sure nothing's on fire. everything looks like it's in. I think. Yeah, everything looks like it's in, so. Cool. All right, guys, we just got back from the Touge run. Just kidding. We went to the grocery store after the Touge run, but basically, I just want to show you guys a little slice of life, okay? Because a lot of you guys are like, oh, paint your car, fix your car, do this, that, right? Like, it takes time. We have to buy. We just bought all these groceries. Dude, we spent like $150 today on groceries, okay? $150, right? And that's because we have to live. Like, we need food to survive. Also, our rent is like, what? It's like $4,000 a month or something. Yeah, it's a lot. So, you know, to everyone saying like paint your car, do this, that, like I only do what's necessary right now because of how expensive like living is here in the Bay Area. And a lot of you guys like just move out, like, no, like my job is here, like I need to live here. So
guys, look, we just made like 6 pounds of katsu today so that we can like save it and eat it throughout the week to save money.
yes.
So
It's like this is how we live, like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, dude, life is expensive, okay, guys? Like, I live on my own. I have to pay for my own stuff. Like, you know, I don't live with my parents. You know, if I live with my parents, then yes, I'd be able to afford a lot more things. But then I'd have to live with my parents, right?
Bay Area boys get it, man.
Yeah.
It's kind of a struggle. Look.
It is. It's a huge struggle. Like, all this stuff costs money. Like, I don't get to eat with my parents, you know? It's like, we have to cook for ourselves. We have to pay our own bills. Like, that's what it is. Yeah. Yeah, we got to buy Pickle. Yeah, we got to feed Pickle, man. Like, that's
she's cheap.
She's cheap. But that's why, you know, we do the merch stuff because it really helps out with the car stuff. But to everyone saying like you need to paint your car and you do all this stuff, like I can't afford to do things that like I don't need to do right now. So stop saying that. It's like this is like the reason why. Okay, like it's not easy out here.
Guys, look what we got though. We're trying out the Mr. Beast bar.
Mr. Beast. Hey, yo, Mr. Beast, actually, yo, please sponsor our cars. I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys, we just opened up the Mr. Beast bar. That's kidding. All right, yo, we actually gotta try the Mr. Beast. All right, so here we got.
We're gonna do that.
Okay.
All right, now here.
All right.
Pickle,
no, you can't eat chocolate. You'll die. Okay. Thanks.
Cheers.
All right, cheers.
I love it.
Man, this is so good. Man, Mr. Beast, I would love this. You know, I love more if you painted my RX7. Fix it.
No, it's actually pretty good.
No, yeah, not bad.
It just kind of tastes like a regular chocolate bar.
Yeah.
Or I mean.
No.
Fine.
Cut.
Guys, this is the best chocolate bar I've ever eaten, guys. This is crazy good, guys.
So good, dude. The flavor, man, it's just Please, Mr. Beast, I need a single turbo on my R32.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Are you done? Are you done filming?
Oh yeah, it's off.
I'm very nervous. Not to be nervous about it. I've done this half a dozen times. You've done this 6 times.
Yo, what's going on, guys? I just woke up, about to start the work day, but before that, I had to, you know, post a quick video real quick. As you guys saw in the title, yeah, RX7, it's back. It feels really, really good. It doesn't shoot as many flames looking back at the footage, but that's because Jeff locked in the timing and stuff like that. He made it super drivable. So focusing on drivability of the car, so it doesn't blow up and burn down. And you know, we'll mess with the tuning later, up the boost later. But for right now, we're just gonna drive around 7-8 pounds for like 1,000 miles, just to make sure it's like good. But yeah, RX7's running great. I know the exterior's a little ugly, like I said before. I like to focus on the mechanical, like maintenance aspects of my cars, just because I don't have all the money in the world. And a lot of you that are younger, like I know it's a little different. I know when I was in high school, like my parents really supported me financially, but right now I'm really pretty much on my own, just because I graduated college, so I have to pay my own bills. I have to pay like rent. I have to pay utility bills. I have to pay for my own groceries. I have to cook for myself, right? I'm not my parents, you know, there for me in that aspect anymore. They still love me. I still love them. You know, we're still family. But in terms of like financially, you know, I'm on my own. So all the money I make that's extra, you know, I try to put in to the maintenance of my car to keep them running. But eventually I will do the exterior, but yeah, you know, it hurts. You know, every time I get that comment, I'm like, I know I like would like to, but I don't have unlimited money. You know, I'm just a guy at the end of the day with a camera, and all the money we make from the merch usually goes into like, yeah, supporting mods or maintenance into the cars once again. So yeah, you know, I'm out here getting stressed out. I'm trying to make as many videos as possible. Trying to keep up with the algorithm, man, while also working my 9-to-5 day job. And you know, it's a struggle. Sometimes it's like, I feel like I don't have enough time in the day. So I really appreciate everyone that sticks around, you know, that really watches the videos, sticks to the end, and comments, likes, and everything like that. Really, really appreciate it. It helps me keep going. And yeah, I'll try to keep making videos for you guys. And if you guys enjoyed this one, feel free to give it a like. You know, I hate it sounds cringe, it's a cliche, but it really does help. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.